bag alert.
Ooh, I wonder if I have. I wonder if I have autotune on Logic Pro.
Come on,
Yeah.
bro. We'd never leave.
Yeah.
That's all she wrote.
Yeah. Shall I?
We back
Again. Good morning. Sakpase.
What's going on, guys? My name's Alan.
In the Alex.
Welcome to AAMICY channel.
Guys, listen, if you're not a part of the AAMICY gang, please click on that subscribe button below and join us in the squad.
Oh, God.
We got Stray Kids.
I wanted to be like this. Yeah.
Yeah. I think this song is called Thunderous.
Okay.
Somebody wrote it in the comments in one of the videos that we had dropped. And if it's not, I'm sorry. I was listening to what that person said because it just says Stray Kids. I don't know what that word says.
You remember when we did the do? It had the different.
How'd that one go again?
Do. I can't remember that. We gotta go back and check it out. So we were so lost. We were like, "What's going on?
What is going?
So much chaos?" And then Felix was like, "What's up, guys?"
Hey, I'm here.
But you said this is like their comeback. Or?
This one just dropped like recently, and people were asking us to check it out because we're big fans of Stray Kids here.
Of course.
Lord, please pay English. We got English subtitles, people.
We here for it.
So without further ado, let's roll on the best time of this video, guys. Let's get it popping.
Let's get it.
Another one.
Yeah. They never fail with the visuals, bro. This kind of gives me like a.
We gotta go back.
They didn't even give us no
These
warning.
people had zero. There was
What up, Stray
There was
Kids?
zero warning.
Oh, you gotta click on the thing. Oh, it's changing the volume.
I got you. I'm trying to think of like, that new TV show that's on Netflix. The show. It's a movie, like a samurai movie. I don't know what it's called. Shigashami.
Shang Shai?
Nah.
Oh, not the one that just came out in theater.
No, it's like a movie. Like that scene gave me the same vibe of
like
that.
The cartoon.
Yeah. It's like an anthem.
Oh, that man said, I'm like wait, what? I just got that. Like a running train going recklessly down the track.
Hey, like a
track.
running. Oh,
that was hard.
That's hard. Hey.
Welcome
to the valley. 나무꾼은 어서 돌아가시오. 여긴 나무랄 데가 없네. 납작해질 리 없는 콧대와 핏대와 함께 세운 줏대. 훨씬 더 웅장하게 되는 경적 소리.
Thunder.
악당무리의 뜨거운 비가 돌아온 몸에 번져. 소문날 군들의 모임에 쏟아지는 눈빛은 freezing cold, but I know you'll live forever. 해보는 태도 난 여전히 하나를 내뱉지. 퇴 소리꾼 퇴 소리꾼.
These guys do not miss with the transitions.
Bro, this is hard.
Like I'm getting so lost by like the visuals.
But I feel like we're probably gonna have to watch a breakdown for the visuals.
Yeah,
because I think there's a lot of things we're missing as far as like individuals of this one.
Right, because it's like they're in like what is it,
like like
temple?
August D temple type vibe.
Yeah,
I was like, there's definitely gonna have to be an explanation for this one.
Yeah, we need explanation.
Bow.
Dirty. 다 들었어 소리 이거저거 귀찮아서 도리도리 말이 너무 많아 자꾸 나서지 좀 말아 Why you mad,
that
why you
big
sad,
trip.
why you tick I don't ban you 얼레리 걸레리 멋있는 척들이 양진 발끝 조차도 따라오지 못해 여기는 팬들 들어봐 질투가 전부 한쪽으로 지워놓고 버려 그냥 악당 우리의 뜨거운 비가 돌아오면
Hey.
소문난 군대의 모임에 쏟아지는 눈빛은 freezing cold but I know
Oh, I like this part.
해보라는 태도는 여전히 할 말은 내뱉지
Boogie bomb. Dang it.
소리 뿜 소리 뿜 소리 뿜 And I'm not sorry daddy 군들이 왔어요 군들이 왔어요
Hey.
날이면 날마다 오는 날이 아닌 오늘 소리꾼들이 왔어요 원래 삐딱해 소리는 일단 백 맘에 안 들면 들 때까지 말 대답해 Final warning 당장 back up press up set up break up 하나는 내 뱉지 퇴 소리 붐 소리 붐 소리 붐 And I'm not sorry I'm dirty Keep on talking, we don't play by the rules.
Shoot it, boom. Oh, I thought it was gonna go down. Stray Kids.
Stray Kids everywhere, all around.
All right, guys, that was Stray Kids, Thunderous, official music video. I feel like we're gonna need a lot more.
We're gonna
need a backstory for like the different, because it does a lot of the visuals that I was like, I feel like if you're not familiar with like, because it's Korean, right?
Yeah.
Korean like background, or like you're not well versed with like Korean information, you might the layer that you think you're at is a lot deeper, like you should be at, if that makes sense.
Right, cause
Like
I'm like trying
the
to figure
black and the white circle could be like good and evil, could also be something that we don't know. And then like they were in the temple looking area. Plus there was an eagle that flew in at one point in the middle of the screen. I was like this. There's a lot that's happening that I know for a fact. And like just the whole, yeah. I'm sure there's a lyric version. There's a something version. So yeah.
Cause I'm like, we just got thrown in the deep end once again. Cause it's just like, cause I'm trying to figure out, did like somebody say something? Cause they were like saying like, it looked like they were trying to talk to somebody that was.
It seemed like they were trying to talk to somebody, or maybe they were talking to like
a group of,
yeah, like in a general sense.
like, yeah, we're Stray Kids.
Yeah. So I don't know. Please let us know in the comments, guys, because we're here for it.
Yeah.
Overall, the song,
the visuals,
choreography, visuals, fire. So we want to know more about what's happening. But if you're not a part of the AAMICY gang, guys, please click on that subscribe button below and join us in the squad. And at all times, don't cheat yourself.
love thyself,
And keep it AAMICY. Peace. Shoot. Pew.
I